So we're actually going to start on the left-hand side of the screen here with that teal bucket, the mission, vision, and values. Of course, this piece is critical and so incredibly important as we think about who we are as an organization, what matters, and where we want to go long term. We're actually speaking with someone this morning who started to talk about the mission as like that candle that's always burning. And I loved that, right? We want to start to think about, great, when we rally around this plan, we first want to reorient and kind of have our employees start to think about that larger picture. So as we go through these, again, these are oftentimes set by the CEO or the visionary leaders where we say, great, the top one, this is our mission. This is why we do what we do here at our organization. Oftentimes we're not seeing this change often, but we want to come back to it to make sure we're continuing to recalibrate and know why that's important. Now, that second piece here is where we start to unpack that vision of, great, where do we want to go long term as we think about where we want to be as an organization? Oftentimes, these are set maybe at that 1, 3, 5-year vision. So really thinking long term that everyone can anchor and rally around of, this is where we want to be as we think about that upcoming timeframe. And then the third and final piece here, something I don't want to gloss over because our values are really, really important. And for a lot of those might be hanging up on our wall, things that we're coming back to time and time again. But as we think about our framework and building out the plan, those are things that we do not want to lose sight of. Because as we start to build out all of these objectives and the goals that we want to hit, everything we do, of course, comes back and should be in service of the way that we operate as an organization, the way we work with our partners and other companies as well. So as we think about this, we don't want to forget that really important step. I would say when you are going to roll this out to your company, rather than going straight to, hey, here's the strategy that we have set for the year and how we're going to get there, we always want to reorient our team members back to who we are as an organization and where we're going. That can really start to bring this framework to life on the right-hand side.